You will get to know the 11 things you should do now to get rich in 2025. The 11th thing is very crucial to do, so watch this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Consider allocating your resources to high-growth assets at the outset. In the pursuit of wealth accumulation, it is essential to prioritize high-growth assets. In 2025, various asset classes, including equities, real estate, and digital investments like cryptocurrency, are demonstrating significant potential for profitability. Investing requires a strategic approach rather than impulsively allocating funds to the latest trends. It involves thorough research and a solid grasp of market dynamics. Although it carries some risk, investing in the stock market has the potential to provide substantial returns, particularly when you concentrate on growth stocks and dividend opportunities. While cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum exhibit volatility, they can offer significant returns when approached with careful consideration. Real estate remains a dependable avenue for wealth accumulation. Begin with modest investments in rental properties or explore the option of real estate investment trusts, REITs. Number 2. Establishing various sources of revenue. Individuals with substantial financial resources typically do not depend on just one income stream. Building wealth is essential for achieving financial stability and enhancing the process of wealth creation. Platforms such as Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork provide excellent opportunities to generate additional income streams with relative ease. Numerous stocks offer dividends, creating a source of passive income. Investing in real estate continues to be a leading strategy for generating passive income, whether through rental properties or platforms like Airbnb. If you want to know the best tips to become rich, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Enhance your understanding of financial concepts. Understanding financial concepts is essential for accumulating wealth. Without a comprehensive grasp of financial management, investment strategies, and debt handling, attaining sustainable wealth can prove to be difficult. Literature such as Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham provides valuable perspectives that can transform your approach to finances. Renowned figures such as Warren Buffett, Dave Ramsey, and Susie Orman offer insightful guidance on effective budgeting, strategic saving, and wise investing. Number 4. Construct a well-rounded investment portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio serves as a safeguard against market volatility while enhancing your opportunities for growth. Rather than concentrating all your funds in a single asset type, consider spreading your investments across various asset classes for better risk management. Integrate high-risk equities with more stable bonds to achieve a well-rounded growth strategy. Consider allocating your resources towards real estate properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in gold, oil, and other commodities can serve as a protective measure against fluctuations in the market. Number 5. Embrace a mindset focused on growth and development. Successful individuals frequently credit their achievements to a growth-oriented perspective. This perspective emphasizes the opportunity to enhance abilities, tackle obstacles, and implement essential adjustments to achieve financial objectives. Consider enrolling in online courses, participating in workshops, and exploring self-development literature. Engaging with accomplished individuals can provide you with motivation and valuable insights drawn from their journeys. A growth mindset will enable you to enhance your skills and provide you with energy to work and produce income. If you are cozily sitting on a chair and waiting for someone to provide you with an infinite amount of cash, that won't happen. You will have to work and earn a living. Number 6. Establish a budget and monitor your expenditures. Without a clear understanding of your financial flow, effective management becomes a significant challenge. Establishing a budget empowers you to manage your expenditures effectively and highlights opportunities for increased savings. Applications such as Mint and NAB or Pocket Guard facilitate straightforward and precise expense tracking. Consider designating 50% of your income for essential expenses, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. This particular strategy is called the 50-30-20 rule. This is a famous budgeting strategy and can help you to aid your finances. A budget is very crucial for achieving financial success. If you have not created a budget yet, following this rule to create it would be really beneficial. Making periodic assessment of your budget is also very crucial to make it keep up with the latest economic changes. Number 7. Prioritize independent learning and skill development. The job market is in a state of constant change, and the skills that are sought after today may not hold the same value in the future. Prioritizing self-education is essential for maintaining your relevance and competitiveness in today's market. Numerous lucrative career opportunities that are prevalent today were not available just 10 years prior. Enhance your future prospects by acquiring valuable tech skills such as coding, analyzing the data, or digital marketing. Obtaining certifications in your field can significantly enhance your earning potential and improve your appeal to prospective employers. Number 8. Develop a comprehensive strategy for your financial future. A comprehensive financial plan provides clarity and helps maintain your focus on achieving your financial objectives over the long term. Setting goals that are specific, measurable, feasible, pertinent, and time-limited is essential for maintaining focus and tracking your progress effectively. Consider making contributions to retirement accounts such as 401(k), IRAs, or Roth IRAs to enhance long-term growth and take advantage of tax benefits. Number 9. Utilize technology to enhance your wealth management strategies. Numerous financial tools and applications are available to assist you in managing your finances, making informed investment decisions, and reaching your objectives. Automated portfolio management solutions such as Betterment and Wealthfront provide efficient services with minimal fees. Applications such as Personal Capital provide a comprehensive overview of your financial situation, enabling you to make well-informed choices. Forbes highlights that automating your savings, investments, and bill payments significantly reduces the likelihood of overlooking your financial goals or falling behind on debt repayment. Automating processes can really prove to be helpful, and thus you should take out some time to automate the process of saving, investment, recurring deposits, and etc. Number 10. Steer clear of increasing your spending as your income rises. As your income increases, it's common for expenses to rise as well, often without justification. It is common for individuals to enhance their lifestyle with each salary increase or bonus, which can hinder their capacity to save and invest effectively. Consider allocating a portion of each paycheck for automatic deposits into a savings or investment account. It's important to keep your spending in check, even as your earnings increase. Focus on allocating resources towards savings and investments rather than indulgent expenditures, just as you did before achieving success. You should increase your investments as you receive greater wealth suddenly. Buying stocks with periodic bonuses or reinvesting the dividends is really a smart move which will help you to advance in future and achieve financial success in the coming year. Number 11. Collaborate with successful people. Collaborating with accomplished individuals can significantly enhance your wealth-building efforts by utilizing their knowledge, connections, and assets. Partnering with those who have demonstrated success can provide you with essential insights, open doors to new markets, and connect you with their well-established networks. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the money habits of the millionaires you should adopt too. Adopting their money habits will help you to earn more money. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more about personal finance.